Stop, don't say I have clothes like that ever again. Yes, that sentence sounds correct, but it sounds basic. Stay with me, because in this video, you're going to sound like a real English speaker when you talk about clothes. In this video, you will learn how to talk about clothes in a natural, confident, and fluent way. Not boring vocabulary, real English you can use every day. And by the end of this video, you will be able to describe what you wear, understand native speakers, and talk about clothes like it's easy. But wait, there's one mistake almost everyone makes with clothes in English. I'll show you that very soon. Before we start, if you want to speak English easily and confidently, hit like and subscribe. Because here, you don't just learn English, you start speaking it. Let's go. First, the basics. Clothes. Clothes means everything you wear. Shirt, pants, shoes, everything. Now let's start simple. Shirt. A shirt is something you wear on your upper body. Example. I am wearing a shirt. T-shirt. A t-shirt is more casual. Example. I am wearing a t-shirt. Sweater. A sweater keeps you warm. Example. I am wearing a sweater. Hoodie. A hoodie has a hood. Example. I am wearing a hoodie. Jacket. A jacket is for cold weather. Example. I am wearing a jacket. Coat. A coat is heavier than a jacket. Example. I am wearing a coat. Dress. A dress is usually worn by women. Example. She is wearing a dress. Skirt. A skirt goes around the waist. Example. She is wearing a skirt. Pants. Pants go on your legs. Example. I am wearing pants. Jeans. Jeans are a type of pants. Example. I am wearing blue jeans. Shorts. Shorts are for hot weather. Example. I am wearing shorts. Shoes. Shoes go on your feet. Example. I am wearing shoes. Sneakers. Sneakers are comfortable shoes. Example. I am wearing sneakers. Boots. Boots are strong shoes. Example. I am wearing boots. Sandals. Sandals are for hot weather. Example. I am wearing sandals. Socks. Socks go inside shoes. Example. I am wearing socks. Hat. A hat goes on your head. Example. I am wearing a hat. Cap. A cap is a sports hat. Example. I am wearing a cap. Scarf. A scarf goes around your neck. Example. I am wearing a scarf. Gloves. Gloves protect your hands. Example. I am wearing gloves. Belt. A belt holds your pants. Example. I am wearing a belt. Now repeat after me. Shirt. T-shirt. Sweater. Hoodie. Jacket. Coat. Dress. Skirt. Pants. Jeans. Shorts. Shoes. Sneakers. Boots. Sandals. Socks. Hat. Cap. Scarf. Gloves. Belt. Good. But wait, it gets easier. Now let's make full sentences. We use this structure. I am wearing. Examples. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing black pants. I am wearing white sneakers. Repeat. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing black pants. I am wearing white sneakers. Nice. Now here's the part most people get wrong. Many people say, I use a shirt. That is wrong. We don't say use for clothes. We say, wear. So say, I wear a shirt. Or, I am wearing a shirt. Don't skip this part, this mistake is very common. Now let's talk about colors. Black, white, red, blue, green, yellow. Examples. I am wearing a red dress. I am wearing black shoes. I am wearing a blue jacket. Repeat. Red dress. Black shoes. Blue jacket. Perfect. Now let's describe clothes. Big. Small. Comfortable. New. Old. Examples. I am wearing comfortable clothes. My shoes are new. This jacket is big. Repeat. Comfortable clothes. My shoes are new. This jacket is big. Nice. Now let's make it real. What are you wearing today? I'm wearing a t-shirt and jeans. Nice. I like your sneakers. Thanks, they are new. Repeat. What are you wearing today? I'm wearing a t-shirt and jeans. I like your sneakers. Perfect. Now here's a secret. Native speakers don't always say I am wearing. They say I'm wearing. Short form. I'm wearing a hoodie. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing sneakers. Repeat. I'm wearing a hoodie. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing sneakers. Boom, instant upgrade. Quick recap. Clothes are everything you wear. Use I am wearing or I'm wearing. Not I use. Use many words. Shirt, jacket, jeans, sneakers, dress, coat, scarf, gloves. Add colors. Add descriptions. If you understand this, you can talk about clothes easily. Remember at the beginning. Stop saying I have clothes. Now you can say, I'm wearing a black shirt. I'm wearing blue jeans. I'm wearing new sneakers. That's real English. English is not hard. You just need the right method. If you enjoyed this, don't stop here. Watch the next video and keep improving your English step by step. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're turning your English into something powerful. See you in the next video.